Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hey. Welcome to Winter Wonder Week Day 2. I am so glad to have you here. Yesterday for day 1 of Winter Wonder Week, we saw if my makeup could survive a brutal winter. Ah! And if you want to find out if it did, then please check out yesterday's Winter Wonder Week video. You can click somewhere in the screen right now. But for today's video, I wanted to do when I think of Christmas makeup, one of the first things that pop up in my mind are like a sexy, beautiful cat eye. So I just want to sit down trying to look at new ways of doing a modern, sexy, little bit of a berry toned cat eye. Cat eyes are as sexy as hell. And who doesn't want to be sexy? Huh? And also please make sure that you watch this entire video because during Winter Wonder Week, there will be a lot of giveaways, including in this video. So yeah, if you're in the mood to cut your haters in half using your cat eye this holiday season, then please keep on watching. All right, so now let's imagine you're having this Christmas dinner or you're having a holiday dinner and your judgmental Aunt Lucy is there who tells you you look a little bit more rough every year. This is the year to show her what you got. We're going in with this Farsali Skin Tune Blur Primer. This is an amazing blurring primer. I've been using this in a lot of videos lately, and this will make sure that Aunt Lucy has nothing to say about you. For foundation, I want to be using the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear with the Tom Ford waterproof one. This is a winning combo. It just looks so good on the skin and it lasts until you take it off. And you know, I'm always preaching about trying new stuff with your makeup and I'm always talking about never settling down and always going for new techniques. So today, I'm gonna stick to my own words for once. I'm using a brush to apply my foundation. This is the Real Techniques Instapop Face Brush. Now, if the holiday season has been stressing you out, I suggest going in with a stick concealer or foundation under the eyes first, following up with a creamy one. This will double up the coverage as well as the longevity and just the overall beakness of your face, honey. So first I'm going in with this Flesh foundation stick in the color 2 Milk. This has outstanding coverage and wear. So I like just putting that under my eyes for that ultimate flawless under eye. And using my favorite Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer on top of this. When I'm telling you this is the best concealer that came out this year, I am not lying to you. This is like a grown-up better version of Shape Tape. I feel like it's better than the Too Faced one. This is the concealer of all concealers in my book. And using my favorite sponge to buff that in. And now using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder to set the rest of my face. This is a beautiful, beautiful, stunning powder that to me absolutely removes the appearance of my pores. It also has a little bit of like a super fine shine to it. It's nothing shiny, but it just gives you that sort of natural skin-like radiance, especially when you're a full coverage addict like me. You need that little bit of shine to make it look like skin again, and this powder does that for you. For the eyes, the first thing I'm doing, as always, is applying my P. Louise base. And now going in with one of my all-time favorite highlighters, the Flesh Boost Highlighter. I talk about this all the time on my channel. I'm putting this on the brow bone right now to already get my shimmer in, and this will help me blend out my crease color a lot too. I wear this highlighter on a daily, like day-to-day life, every single day, and it goes with me around the globe. And I shattered it. I shattered my precious boost, but that doesn't take away that this is one of the most beautiful highlights out there. I actually used it in my previous video too, so if you haven't seen it in that one, check it out. Oh my God, yes. Okay, now for the palette that oh my God, I'm so excited about this one. This one is the Nabla Poison Garden. Now I feel like Nabla came at us pretty hard in no time, like out of nowhere, Nabla was here. So I received some Nabla products in PR and I immediately fell in love with the brand because I feel like it's such like new colors, new like textures, and like it's all very, very high quality stuff. So for today's video, I want to play with the Poison Garden palette. Just, oh my God, look at the colors. Wait for the colors. Hello, everybody. Isn't this like a colorful winter dream? So what I love about these is that the mattes are extremely, extremely pigmented, very easy to work with, very blendable, very soft. So today I'm putting this one for a little run of my eye. And I'm first dipping into that berry shade called Berry Bite, and that is going in the crease. Now, when I'm telling you this shade is super, super potent, it's super intense, which is the best. And then on that same brush, a 227 by Zoeva, I'm just buffing out the edges by using soft circular motions. Then now going in with the color Zen and blending this right above. On the outer part of the lid, I'm applying Opera. And then on the lid, I'm applying this gorgeous shimmery pink color called Rosita, or Rosita. And since it's the holidays, time for a little bit of glitter over top of that. Then for the actual cat wing liner, I'm starting my wing from the bottom lash line going towards this portion here. So we're leaving a little gap and connecting it to the eyeshadow line. Okay, now I'm gonna drag this back to the lid to create my wing. Now this has quickly become my favorite lower lash shadow brush. This is the White Rose Precision Buffer Brush by Nabla, and I'm picking up that berry shade and the darker shade from the outer corner and using this to buff up my lower lash line. And also taking that and kind of buffing towards the line we just created. And putting Zen on the inner third. Now see this little gap here? That is exactly what you want. This is gonna give you that extreme modern cat eye feel, and I'm filling that up with a white liquid liner. Just like that, yummy. Now of course I'm also extending my inner corner with a liner. And lastly, for lashes, I'm using these by Doll Beauty, and these are called Anastasia. Alrighty, and I don't want to give away too much about today's Winter Wonder winner yet, the giveaway, but if you like this palette, you might want to stick around till the end. Now it's time to give the face a little bit more love, so I'm bronzing for once, not my Jouer bronzing duo, because I'm going to change it up a little bit. This is by Marc Jacobs. This is called Tantric Omega Bronze. Let's turn this 10 head into an 8 head. Cause if I'm being honest, a forehead it will never be. Thumbs up if you have a big forehead too. When I was younger, my mom used to say, that's because you have a lot of knowledge in there, sweetie. I doubt it. For blush, I'm using this one by MAC. This is called the Extra Dimension Blush in Cheeky Bits. And because it's so darn good, I'm going back in with the Flesh Boost Highlighter. To me, this just transforms the skin from full coverage matte back to like a skin-like finish. Look at that. And where most other highlighters look too stark and too intense on the forehead, this actually transforms the forehead into a natural glow from within when you apply it there. My favorite. I also always apply this highlighter on my no makeup days. I'll apply a little bit of tinted moisturizer and apply this on my highlighting points, and I will look radiant as hell. She is radiant and glowy. Thank you again so much, Flesh, for sponsoring today's video. You are making some dreams for Winter Wonder Week come true. Thank you so much. Alrighty, so for lips, I don't really know what to do. My initial plan was to go in with this Chrome Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick by Nebula in a red color. This could be super festive and fun, but also a little bit predictable maybe. So I also have this one right here. This is by Lawless, and this is called Dane. Dane. This is a mood. And when you've done all of that, that completes this vampy berry cat eye look for the holidays. I think it's so much fun. It's so glam. It's so extreme, so vampy, so sexy. I am living for this look. Like, hello, yes, hi. I would like to cut my steak using my liner. Without any further ado, let's go on to today's Dutch word of the day. For today's Dutch word of the day, and I feel like a lot of Dutch word of the days for this entire Winter Wonder Week, I want to teach you a little bit more about like the holidays. So today's the Dutch word of the day is for Santa. Kerstman. 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 You could be like, oh my God, the Kerstman put me on his naughty list with this look this year. As always, if you want to be featured in my next video, which is tomorrow during Winter Wonder Week, all you have to do is leave a comment down below saying the Dutch word of the day, Kerstman, or leave a video response on Instagram using hashtag Dutch word of the day. Good luck. For today's giveaway, aka the Winter Wonder winner, oh my God, get ready. Sit down and get ready. I've been wanting to play with this palette here for a little bit now. And prior to filming this episode of Winter Wonder Week, I contacted Nebula and I was like, hey, I really want to shoot a video using the Poison Garden palette, and I was wondering if you could sponsor a giveaway. And guess what? Nebula is sponsoring today's giveaway for Winter Wonder Week. 2 lucky winners will win the Poison Garden palette, the palette used for today's look, the White Rose brush set that has this brush right here that I use for my lower lash line, and also it has this one that I put on my Snapchat a couple of weeks ago. This is the Cut Crease Maker brush. This is the best cut crease brush on the planet, so you'll be getting that in a set, as well as 100 euros to spend on the Nebula Cosmetics website. This is an insane prize, and 2 lucky winners will get that prize. Now, how do you enter? All you have to do is give this video a thumbs up. Of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below about anything. You could mention the Dutch word of the day. Maybe you get shouted out in my next video tomorrow, or maybe you can talk about the palette. Maybe you can talk about my booming highlight. You can talk about anything you want as long as you give this video a thumbs up, you are subscribed to my channel, and you leave a comment down below. That's all you have to do to be entered into today's giveaway. And that's it. Boy, oh boy, was day 2 of Winter Wonder Week. So much fun. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching me create this very vampy cat eye makeup look for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully, I will see you guys tomorrow during day 3 of Winter Wonder Week. Bye, guys.